Afternoon, everyone. It's been quite a journey to get here.
It has. I almost needed a tranquilizer dart.
Yeah, the roads were a little bit slim, a little
Twisty.
bit tight, yeah. But we got here, and where are we? We're at Cabo da Roca, which is the most westerly point of Europe that you can drive to. I like to always add the caveat because somebody says, "Oh, well, if you walk a mile further down the headland, you can go 2 feet further." But we are at 140 metres high, and our latitude is 9 degrees 30 minutes west. You don't get any further west than that, and because all our clothes are in bags, I certainly picked my clothes out by random.
I picked his clothes out actually.
She picked out my clothes by random, and I'm going to pan it down, and I've actually got my Nordcap t-shirt on.
Looked as though I was grabbing your nipple.
The pain. Which Nordcap is the most northerly point of Europe that you can drive to. I'd like to add the caveat.
Southerly next.
Southerly next. Easterly in the Urals in Russia, which is mostly argued about, might be tricky, so I might have to have another caveat that it must be the most easterly point of Europe that you can drive to without entering a war zone. So we'll see. That might be somewhere near the Bosphorus actually, but we'll find out. But it's looking good here. Good afternoon, everyone. We are at Camping Orbutur, Guincho. It's just to the west of Lisbon, near the coast, just south of Cabo da Roca. We came here last night after visiting Cabo da Roca. It was our planned stop. It's an ASCII's campsite, so we paid €23 for a very large pitch. Pick any pitch you like, park where you like at the moment. With electric, you got access to the showers, the toilets, all the block. The only thing that's not on at the moment is the swimming pool. But it's a nice spot. I've had the chairs out. You could just about get a sea view. I believe the sea's down there, which you can see. It's all very nice. Sun's out. We are being very cautious with Buff because of the caterpillar situation, so we have not parked under the trees, and we're being very careful with her when we're out and about, and along with ourselves. So yeah, so far it's good. Looks a nice campsite. You can have sun or shade, and then see how you get on from there. Oh, and look, here's my beautiful assistant come back. Hello, beautiful assistant. How are you?
Charming assistant, I think you'll find.
Okay.
But, yeah, good.
Nice campsite.
Lovely.
So
yeah,
far?
very
Yeah.
peaceful. Very peaceful, nice.
Yeah, you're just going to put the...
Filled up the dog water.
Yeah, because...
Can't go anywhere without that.
Yeah, don't want to be out with dog water. And I was telling them we are being very careful around the trees. We're keeping our eyes out for caterpillars.
I haven't seen any yet.
No,
looking.
maybe it's still a bit early. Maybe they've already done. I don't know. But let's have a look around. Just down there is the service point for motorhomes. It's a full service bay that you can drive over and get all your services done. But once again, there are large shower blocks A lot of people parking under the shade. They have fixed accommodation here as well. Little 2 to 7 person little chalets. There's a play park. I think the pool isn't, everything is just, I'm going to swing you around again. The pool is just over there. There's a restaurant on site, but of course not open at this moment. And there you've got your communal cleaning when the Zoom actually decides to do something for your washing up and your dishes and everything. And another shower and toilet block there as well.
Not the views yet.
No, you know, we're self-contained. We stay self-contained, unless it's close. So there's the outlines of the Roman buildings that were in this area. It's obviously still looking like it's quite damp. Might have been half a bathhouse. It's the same. Go down there and have a look at the bigger bits. Oi, Looney, don't eat the sand. Muffy, come on. Whoosh. I said, don't eat the sand. Get out of it. What are you doing? Go round where you could have gone over.
I thought it might hurt myself.
Yeah, and you've just...
in the water.
Yeah, get your phone out your pocket fast.
I'm trying. Oh, it's not that cold.
Oh.